suspension. I figured out it's got trying to practice wheelies. That's my goal this year. Learn to wheelie. After my boot about came off here, the bike just ain't been running right. Like I need to a little tad bit harder on the front. I'll do more adjusting up through here. Ripping this bad boy. Bouncing me everywhere, bro. This is nothing but mud. Yeah, I gotta tighten her up a little bit. I do believe that's all we're gonna do right here. I'll just stop right here and I might have fixed it. I went 2 clicks. You can't, let's see. You can't feel this one. So I need to go all the way in and come back out. 18 clicks. All right. 1, 2, 6. All right, 18 out of 30 clicks on the front. I don't know anything about suspension on a dirt bike. So if you know how to adjust this stuff, just leave a comment. That would help me out tremendously. Because I'm new to this stuff. I mean, I've never had adjustable suspension before. Like something on the rear end is bouncing. I'm getting, I think, a little better than wheelies. That's my goal this year. Ice? How the heck is it ice? It's 50 degrees outside. I adjusted the sag on this thing the other day. I can't touch the freaking ground. I'm getting the front end to come up. Just like this. That one guy said I was riding this thing like a freaking grandma. Dude. I didn't even know what trail I was riding on. So, I was driving like a grandma, so be it. I'm new to big dirt bikes. I had a pit bike. I mean, that's the only other dirt bike I ever had. So, you think I ride like a grandma? I feel like my chain's coming loose. Definitely is. Chain's loose or something. I need to do a little more work to this bike. Here, I hit the gas. Hard line. Oh, I had to put it back down. I feel like I need to do something with this rear end now. Here we go. Almost 600 miles on this bad boy. We'll be ripping it. rocks like it's nothing. Watch this. Like it's nothing, man. Now, if you mess up here, dude, you're in for a bad fall. It's mud. There's a big rock. Scott, it rips. It really does. I don't know how fast we've been going. I ain't even been looking. Pretty fast though. Well, suspension's better. Something on the rear end now. I got my daggone microphone on here. I'm scared it's gonna blow off. About 85% throttle right there. Oh, Lord. To holler for everything she had. through here in a minute. I'll let it rest. Trail bike, man. Just look at the way this thing runs. I mean, you can't ask for a better bike than this. For the money, I mean, come on now. Taking a beating, man. Takes a beating and he's asking for more. This is perfect. The suspension right now for this type of riding, it ain't been popping the front end up or nothing. I really want to do a drone shot right here. Bad little bike. Let her cool down. Go ahead and get my helmet off here. I'll get my drone and then I'll start a new video, okay?